Yes. This is a banner. Male Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Evangelist Obi. Hana Abubo Ejuma and have a blessing to our generation. These twins are blessing to our generation. They are great. Habundu Chineke to Igbo land in Nigeria, both in Africa, in nations. Most of you now Evangelist or Minister of God. Listen to me. He's an engineer and also a Minister of God. Evangelist before we got Chineke. There are many pastors that are doctors. There are many ministers of God. How will businessmen? They have many. Some of them were government workers. So these two prophets, they are a blessing to our generation. And we got on Gwakwana. This banner, I did it some months ago. Let me bring the other one. Let me bring the other one. You know, I'm here alone on the mountain. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Some months ago, I am this banner and I'm Lagos. I did this banner, we use and go Lagos. When I go to Lagos, near the ministry of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I will hang it there. And every Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I beg Imo State. I will take these two banners to Imo State. I will take it to the opposite Zion ministry in Imo State. Hang here, these two banners. I will hang it to Ngwakwana. I'm going to Ngwakwana. I'm going to Ngwakwana in Imo State. I will hang these two banners. I will hang these two banners. These twins are blessing to our generation. Our generation. They are blessing to our generation. Whether you like it or you don't like it. Have a blessing to Igbos. They are blessing to our generation. So I will go to Ngwakwana. I will go and hang these two banners. This one and this one. I will go and hang it. I will go and hang it here. Because I'm from Lagos before. Kanja hang here opposite Zion Grand. Even though open a Zion distance. Outside the gate before I enter the street, I will hang it to the street of Zion Ministry in Lagos. But if I beg Imo State, I will take these two banners to Imo State. I will take it and I will go to hang it here. I am a banner some months ago, but later, I'm planning how to go to Lagos. But as long as they don't come to Igbo land, I will go to Imo State and I will go and hang it here very soon. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph. Shalom.